Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to run a D&D Session 0. This crucial first meeting sets the stage for a fun and engaging campaign for everyone involved. We will cover 4 key areas to ensure a smooth start. First, we will define the campaign's overall feel. Next, we will discuss player and dungeon master boundaries. Then, we will establish any custom rules. Finally, we will prepare for character creation and the first session. Setting clear expectations is vital for a successful campaign. Talk about the campaign's genre. Will it be a lighthearted adventure or a serious, gritty tale? Agree on the balance of combat, role-playing, and exploration. Crucially, discuss safety tools, such as an X-guard or lines and veils, to ensure everyone feels comfortable. Also, establish how often you will play and how to communicate about scheduling. Every group plays Dungeons and Dragons a little differently, and Session 0 is the perfect time to customize the rules. You might decide on variant rules for critical hits or how healing potions work. Discuss how players will generate their ability scores, perhaps rolling 3 dice 6 times or using a point-buy system. Also, clarify the use of any homebrew content or third-party materials and review specific rules like rests or encumbrance. The final stage of Session 0 focuses on character creation and preparing for the first adventure. Guide your players in developing their character concepts, ensuring they fit the campaign's tone. Encourage party cohesion so the group works well together, perhaps with a balanced mix of skills. Before concluding, set a firm date and time for your first official session. Provide any necessary resources, like character sheets or digital rulebooks, to help everyone prepare.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.